Welcome to the TailorMate App tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage my work gallery in TailorMate. Every tailoring shop and boutique usually maintains a picture gallery on their mobile phone or tablet to showcase it to the customer. This collection will have various stitching patterns for each dress and also collection of stitching work you have done in the past. This may be working fine for you, but the problem comes when the phone is damaged or lost. You will lose all your precious collection of many years' work. To solve this problem, we have introduced a gallery section within the app. Now you can maintain all your gallery within the app. There are several advantages here. As all the pictures are stored on the cloud, it will not take any space on your phone. Also, if your phone is damaged, lost or stolen, you can easily install TailorMate App on a new device. Once you log into the app with the same phone number, all your photos will be available right there. Now, let's find out how to manage your gallery in the app. You can go to Gallery tab at the button. By default, we give you few photos in each dress category. In addition, you can add your own folders and photos in the gallery. To add a new folder, click the plus button onto top. Enter the folder name and click the Save button. The newly added folder will be listed on the screen. Now you can click the newly created folder name to go to the folder. To add a new image to the folder, click the plus button onto top. You can upload pictures from your gallery or even use your camera to take a picture. Once saved, your photo will appear in the folder. To delete the photo, you may press the photo for 2 seconds and a cross button will appear on the image. Click the cross button to delete the photo. You may also delete a folder by the same way. You can click the heart symbol on the picture to mark the picture as your favorite. Once added to the favorite list, it will be listed in the favorites folder. To remove the favorites folder, press the heart button again. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions about TailorMate app, please call us or WhatsApp on the number given here.